most keyboardists can use these 2 fingers. So if you want to play this chord and you want to play it, this is where you play it from, but so these 2 fingers.
Yes.
Okay. So the 3 would be a minor 11, 6 would be altered, and 2 will be minor 11. So, and funny enough, that is the 362 on the key, on 736 on the key of F. The 736 on the key of C. A 360 on the key of C is a 736 on the key of F. It's very funny. So it is 736 on the key of F. That means if the 360 on the key of C, that means it's 625 on the key of G. And with the flick of one note, it becomes a 251 on the key of D. And with the change of one more note, it becomes a 514 on the key of A, right? Yeah, key of A. Alright. So that is the chord. Minor 11. Same thing has 362 on C. Then you're not doing it. So that is 362. So now if we're having to do the same thing with for the advanced idea of this 362, we remove the roots, we are left with this. So we play this chord, G, and then 5th degree of G is D. Then the 6th. Sorry, there's a baby crying. I don't know where it's coming from. It's a professional video, so don't be angry. So the 6th is going to be an alter chord. Removing this guy, we have this guy which will play in the second inversion, just like we did on the 3. So then this guy plays the 5th degree of that key. Now what's the 5th degree? F. So we're going to play an F. Okay, so we're already gotten away with this. Now we are going to have this guy. So you have this, and you have an F, any version you have. Then the 2, which is like the 6th, which was this chord. You now remove the roots and you are left with this chord. So you now play this chord second inversion, or you can play it root inversion, depends on you. So then this plays the 5th degree of F, which is C. So where you have the 3, you have, then you now have the F, then you now have this 6 4 8 3 6 2. So the basic right, where are we? G. Then for the 2, which is this chord, so play so that is basically the first idea you get to understand about advanced voicings or advanced play. Advanced play is you have to move the roots, then whatever is left behind, you make good of it. Five usually very funny. I know, on its own, the 6 to 5, the 6 will just be minor, the 2 will be dominant, and the 5 will be major. I've said you can do it like 6 being minor, then the 2 being an altered chord, but the 2 being an altered chord, going to the 5 doesn't really, well, unless you want to do something crazy, maybe you're going somewhere from there, that's when you can work. So the 6 being minor, the 2 being altered, and the 5 being dominant. What for the 6 to 5, the idea is minor, dominant, major. So 6, that's a very common movement. The idea is we're dealing with common movements. There are many other kinds of movements because there's also this movement on the 6. So, or yeah, the altar. Now being can now be this chord. Then 5. So there are so many ideologies, but concepts of what we're doing now is common things you hear. You hear a song go. Minor, that's very common. Sometimes people stay here. So minor, dominant. So that's dominant. That's 13. Because you want to play it full, you have to play all the hands. So what is a dominant? You add the 13, which is this guy. Dominant 9 R13. Then the 5 major, normal major. Most times it's good to play a 4 over a 5, like to make it dominant also. So those are common circles you have over the 6. Then we have the 2, 5, 1. 2 being minor, 5 being dominant, then the 1 being normal. So it's always, this one is easy. You can play it advanced way if you like. So as you don't hear. So anyway, there it is. Now the advantage of playing that is in the 2, while the 2 is here. Remember what we did? Sure. Guys, play the 4. So then on the 5 you play, then on the 1 you play that. Being the fact that in the 2 remove the 2 and remain the major 7 of what we have after we remove the 2 is the F major 7. Play the 5th degree of the F, which is this, following that same rule. Then the 5 is supposed to be dominant, so now we are going to play what we have now is on the 5. This is the dominant. Okay, so what we're going to have now is we are removing the roots. We are leaving ourselves with this half diminished chord, of which we are going to play in this inversion here. That's like adding this guy here. Then this guy is not really playing a 5th degree, rather it's playing a quarter chord of these notes. So the inversion of this chord, you're taking this 6, the 6 on your key up, so you have like a 7 3 6. This is an altered chord on its own of C sharp. So you've heard a lot of things when they say when you play the 1, you can substitute the 1 for the flat 2, the 5 for the flat 2. So, and usually the 5 for the flat 2, most guys, or even I, prefer to use the to use a major of it, but it's usually supposed to be a dominant. So using the dominance of this is where we have this idea, that chord by the 5, which we're not playing this way. Like we said, removing the 1, we have this chord. So then we have the 5th degree of the 1, so we have that. So most times you hear a song, for some reason I don't know why I keep playing that song. So now So 2 5 1. That's just that common circular progression. Play 4, plays is what you hear most times. Some people just maintain the chord this way. It's also fine. Some even add this. It's also fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Then your normal 1. Don't feel just playing that way too. That's the 2 5 1. Then the 5 1 4, very common. That's a common 5 1 4. The other 5 1 4s. So there are so many 5 1 4. But anyways, but this is the most common one. minor on the 5, dominant on the 1, and major on the 4, which is now like the 6-2-5 of key B flat, then which was minor, dominant, major when we did it on key C. 6 minor, dominant, then 5 major. So now we are doing a 5-1-4 on key C, which will now be like doing the minor, dominant, and major. So you see there's a relationship with every circle. A 7-3-6 appears in 4 other keys as something else. It's either a 7-3-6 on the key of C. 7-3-6. Now what other key do you think it can work on? This is a 7 on key C. On another key, this is what? It's a 3. So that's on G, it's a 3. So it's the same thing as a 3-6-2. On the key, a fifth away, which is D, that's a 6-2-5. A fifth away from D will be what? A fifth away from D will be A, that is 2-5-1. A fifth away from A will be E, that's a 5-1-4. So playing with those kind of concepts is what helps keyboardists add a lot of spice to their music. Like I could be doing something. Now all I'm doing is like I'm doing 4, 3, then 6, then 2. So 4, 3. Now that's 6. 6 is where I came here. So because 6 and the flat 3 are tritone apart, so I can substitute those chords. At the same time, if I'm doing a song that has so I can decide. So that's 2. Then instead of coming to end on the 1 and just wait for the song to go, I can go. There are so many things I could do. I can also do. All of them follow the same. So the idea of relationships happen from the fact that we are moving within keys, irrespective of tonal centers. When you begin to think of your music as outside notes, like I'm on key C, I'm on key F, I'm on key B flat, or I'm on key A flat, it limits your creativity. So as a keyboardist, or even as a bassist, musician, a singer, wherever you are, you have to understand that keys are related. Key C represents itself 12 times on different keys. It's a 1 on the key of C. It's a 2 on B flat. It's a 3 on A flat. It's a 4 on G. It's a 5 on F. It's a 6 on E flat. It's a 7 on D flat. Now, at the same time, it's a flat 2 on B. The flat 3 on A is a flat 5 on F sharp. It's a flat 6 on E. It's a flat 7 on D. So every key has representation on every other key. So one of the secrets also to scoring songs by ear, or when someone is singing and you want to get the key of the person, whenever you pick the note, that note is on 12 keys. So it's just to identify what tone or what degree are you hearing that note. So if I'm on key C and the melody there. That means I can play a chord and it will still go in. And it will still go. 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 So it has a transfer everywhere. So anywhere I'm going to, I will just keep playing it. So that is just the secret of playing songs. You hear this song, Praise Him in Advance. You hear this part. Now that's part of the song. So that part is from C sharp. The song is. So then so we have the. So that is now like playing a 7-3-6 on D flat instead of on C sharp and let me use D flat. Let me say C sharp and G sharp. So fifth apart. So then you have 5, 6, 7. That is the same key. Then you now go. So it's the same thing. They are combining keys, or you hear so that's the second and the fifth cycle of that. You hear the then you now have so now that's playing this 2-5-1 as if you are playing a 5-1-4 on D flat. Then this is now played at a 2-5. So that is how musicians keep mixing up keys. It sounds beautiful. So that's just a secret I wanted to share. Have fun.